family, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am bringing you a collaboration that is hosted by my wonderful and talented Big Sis, Tammy of Me, Myself, and DIY. And it is such a pleasure and an honor to be able to collab with her on today. My Big Sis has a beautiful and wonderful channel. She produces great content. She does unconventional DIYs. She does revamps, and she also is the queen of glam, glitz, and sparkle. Anything you need to know about shimmer and shine, she is the perfect person to go to. Make sure you support my Big Sis. Make sure you show her some love. Let her know that Uneatly sent you, and her link will be in the description box below. So today we are hosting a collaboration. I am her co-host, and it is the Summer Affair 2020. In today's collaboration, my Big Sis and I asked everyone to style a part of your home in summer decor, any part of your home, any way you like. You just had to make sure you had summer decor in it, and you had to show your decor. So pretty much you had to give a room tour, a tour of whatever area that you decorated. So sit back and relax and enjoy this Summer Affair 2020. First thing first, this is a vase that I DIY'd. It used to be a lamp. My grandma and I took it apart, and then I reassembled it to form a vase, a DIY glam vase. These watermelon pails are also DIYs of mine. I will be linking the video either in the video or in my description box. Thank you so much for tuning in to this amazing It's a Summer Affair collab 2020. Make sure you check out the playlist. It will be in the link below in my description. And also thank you again for joining in on this great collaboration hosted by my Big Sis, Me, Myself, DIYing It, and yours truly. This has been another great episode of Uneatly. Always remember to create, explore, and enjoy.